Ugh, yuck. After a very long day, the shoes become moist from heat and harbors bacteria, which causes it to smell. But me, I have absolutely nothing to worry about because I have the LG dehumidifier, which helps reduce humidity and eliminates every unpleasant smell, leaving my shoes always fresh. I'll just let it do its thing. The girl is hungry. Now imagine coming back from work after a very busy, hectic day and you're trying to sort dinner. The relief knowing I have everything in one place. Amazing. Who says cooking has to be boring?
Thanks to the LG Mood-Up refrigerator, it is so spacious.
With the inbuilt Bluetooth speaker, you can connect your phone to the Bluetooth and listen to music directly from your refrigerator while you cook or just sip a glass of wine.
And is designed with flexible compartments that helps you arrange your groceries, beverages, and food efficiently, keeping it fresh at all times. Now the Hygiene Fresh Plus feature, that helps keep my fridge free from bacteria and odors. This keeps the air in and the fridge clean all the time, so my food stays fresh longer.
Life is good with LG.